My name is Maros Kopacka. I'm board-certified oral surgeon and implantologist, and one of the finalists of Megamind 2024. I come from Slovakia, a beautiful country in the heart of Europe, known for stunning nature, national parks and mountains. I studied dentistry here and I graduated in 2014. Later, I completed my postgraduate studies in Austria, earning my master's degree in oral surgery and implantology in 2023. Today, I'm dad of two beautiful girls and husband of my amazing wife. I love many sports, but what I love the most is spending time in nature, forests every season. That's where I recharge. But before all that, when I had to decide what to do with my life, there was this popular TV show about emergency doctors. So I thought, yeah, I want to be one of them. But how did I end up becoming a dentist? Well, accidentally. I got accepted to both dentistry and general medicine. And on the first day of university, I joined the round registration line. I decided to give it a try. And surprisingly, I fell in love with it. I loved the all manual skills and the all hands-on work. After graduation, I started as a general dentist in private clinic searching for my path. And I realized surgery is where I belong. Later, my wife, who's also a dentist, and I opened our own clinic. That allowed me to fully focus on implantology. For me, smile is a mirror of the soul, and implantology is the art of restoring that reflection. Bringing back joy and confidence to our patients. That's what truly matters. One of the most influential people I've met was Dr. Frank Zastro. He introduced me to the world of autogenous bone augmentation. His passion shaped my thinking deeply. He is no longer with us, but I'm forever grateful, and I believe we'll meet again somewhere. My vision? To spread this knowledge. I want my passion to go further than me, and at the same time stay grounded. Just the down-to-earth implantologist treating his own patients.